I played the Swarm Simulator for 30 days to see how far I progressed through this 30-day challenge. My main goal for this challenge is to understand this game more. So, I created my new account called iPlayBigamism and started the challenge. I claimed my first black bear quest, and my mother bear quest as well.
But I think I need to join the bee swarm group, you know, because if I don't, I don't know, man. Because look at that, I'm locked. I get this jar. I have to verify my join. I have to verify my age. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have to. Oh my god, I'm not gonna verify my age. I'm so sorry. But not in a million years.
Before I continue, let me tell you the rules. Rule number 1, no macro or any system that can help me with grinding when I'm AFK. Rule number 2, no Robux spending since I'm broke, sad face.
At least I can buy a new tool with this kind of money. I can get clippers. Oh, there's the moon sprout. No. I need to go. I need to get there. Oh shoot. Screw it. Oh, screw it. Please get there. I need to just steal some honey. That's it. Oh my god, the honey. Oh, the honey. This is crazy. This is crazy. I got level 3 now. What the hell? Oh, I got treat as well. Yes. Getting everything that I need. How the hell is it? Oh, yes, I can. Boom, 3 eggs. Oh, I got exhausted. Be not bad at all. Okay, I'm finished with that quest. I'll give him that. And I'll give him this. Really haste so that I can run fast. So that the backpack is. Alright, I need to defeat Ladybug. Blah blah. 25 ability tokens, 50 bloom pad. Oh my god, you're expecting me to do all that? Come on, you're taking the piss. Bear quest. Oh crap. Crap, that is interesting, I'll say that. Oh my god.
You can tell I was pretty bored. While it might be 3 minutes for you, it's been 1 hour for me since I keep getting distracted and making slow progress. I need to prevent that, so I put all the distraction away and actually lock in.
Yes, it killed! Oh, finally. Give all those things, thank you. Alright. Oh yes, I get silver egg, bro. Silver egg. It's time for gold egg. The spider. Oh yes, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. I'm not kidding. You are an absolute lifesaver. I can get the canister.
Finally, 10 B zone is unlocked, but we haven't completed the new bear shop, so our main goal is to finish it.
Look at my new fit, bro. My new fit is insane, man. Oh my god, I got a helmet, I got a packer, I got the boots. Oh, what more do I need, man? Wait, that's actually what I need right now. That 10 sunflower seeds. At least I finished everything in the noob shop. Bap! Boom, now I got the belt pocket, and now look at that. 5,000 plus 5,000 more capacity, plus 10 more convert amount, and 25% more loot lock.
I finally completed the noob shop. Next stop, the mid shop. I don't know how to say it.
Bro. I'm so laggy. Come on. Oh crap, I got hit, but I killed it all myself. Like, it's embarrassing. And snowstorm as well, take all the snow. Like, it gifted. Wait a minute, I have 9 types of bees. Does that mean, can I use the slingshot? Oh yes, I can. Oh, that, you don't know how much that helped. And there's a gummy sprout. Where is it, man? Thank you. I'll take the mega jug. I got 30. Oh wait, what? Yo, what the hell? Oh, I got a yellow walking wiggly person, bro. What the hell? The free glue. We'll take the free glue. Claim some codes, you know. Obviously not some boost codes.
Before I end day 1, I have to make sure to redeem all non-boost codes for better advantage.
Jesus Christ! Oh my god, love me. I'm in group as well, oh my god. Oh wait,
Thank you for watching day 1 of me playing the game for 30 days. Stay tuned for day 2 and the rest. Like and sub.